I'm Jenny Smith, CND and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recreate the cuff nail. To begin with, I'm using CND Shellac Radiant Chill and applying a thin layer to the nail before curing in my CND lamp for 1 minute. After this, I'm going to take a custom blend of Lecenté Champagne Super Holographic Glitter and Baby Doll Multi Glitz Glitter. Using my G1 brush, I'm going to pat and press this glitter over the surface of the nail and then buff it in. Once I've made sure that all the particles of glitter are laying flat, I'm applying CND Shellac Express 5 top coat to the entire nail. After that's cured, I'm going to use CND Shellac in Uncovered and apply my cuff design to the nail. So you want to leave a margin just above the eponychium. Cure that first layer, apply a second layer and cure, and then apply a thin layer of Lecenté Layer It. Now I'm going to use Blackpool and my D2 brush to create a design on the nail. So I'm just drawing out my pattern to start with, and then I'm going to embellish it using a dotting tool, and I'm using 2 different size dotting tools to do this. So here you can see I've finished my pattern, and now I'm just going in and applying my dots. After I've applied the dots, I'm going to cure this in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute. So I'm just using a smaller dotting tool, which is actually the Lecenté dotting tool that came with the Lecenté nail art brush kit. After curing, I'm applying some rose gold holographic foil. And now I'm finishing off with CND Shellac matte top coat. I'm applying the top coat just to the uncovered cuff design only, not over the top of the glitter. Cure that for 1 minute. Remove your top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol and finish with a slicker solar oil. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.